This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. Beautiful two-story home located in the great community of Cinco Ranch. This 4-bed, 2.5 bath has been freshly painted with recently installed wood flooring in the dining room. This home features an open floor plan with master bedroom down, secondary bedroom and game room up. Granite countertops in the kitchen. Nice sized lot with mature trees and no back neighbors. Call for your private tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.